Okay, we are under a severe thunderstorm warning, and as you can tell, hail is coming down. And the winds are blowing so strong. Look at all that hail. And look at our swimming pool. Looks like we're getting a little snow, but it's not snow, it's hail. It's the size of a, looks like the size of a pea or an apple seed. Whoa, and it's really thundering and lightning, especially if we look out our windows. It is almost about 11 o'clock, as you can see. Just look at this. Whoa, there's hail blowing down off our roof. Wow. This is really amazing. God. We haven't had hail like this in years. Alright, I guess that's it now. I'm gonna stop now. Thanks for watching.